Bulaga! Hi Sandy, this is your Tita Ninang. Happy first birthday! My wish for you, sana lumaki kang malapit kay God, maging malusog ka, mabait, saka masunurin kay Mommy at Daddy. For now, di mo pa maintindihan yung message ni Tita Ninang, pero Mommy and Daddy will share this video to you pag malaki ka na. Love you so much! God bless you! Sandy turns 1.
Say Sandy, aponte Sandy, aponte Sandy, aponte Sandy.
Hi baby Sandy, happy birthday! I know that you're still a baby to understand this, pero sana sa paglaki mo at mapanood mo itong video na to, malalaman mo na mahal ka naming lahat. Pasensya ka na if hindi ako nakapag-extend ng stay ko dyan to celebrate your birthday, but rest assured that in spirit, I will always be there to celebrate. Ang wish ko lang sa paglaki mo ay sana maging mabuti kang bata, and for sure yan dahil you have the best parents in the world na mapagmahal sa Diyos, and for sure na i-guide ka nila sa paglaki mo na maging mabuti kang bata. And wala man ako dyan physically to guide you, but rest assured that I will always stay in touch with your parents para ma-check ka from time to time. Kung hindi man ako makapag-celebrate ngayong first birthday mo, malay mo sa second, third, makakapunta na ako. And kung hindi man, sana sa dibu mo, for sure andyan ako. Happy birthday, baby Sandy! Miss na miss ko na kayo dyan lahat, and how I wish andyan na ako to celebrate with you today. Happy birthday! I love you so much!
Hello, Marikoy, Parikoy. Kamusta na? Diyan sa inyong kalagayan sa Qatar. Happy birthday sa aking inaanak. Sana wish ko lang na alagaan yung mabuti si baby, no? Hanggang sa kanyang paglaki sa napakagandang bata. Kamusta na sa lahat ng ating mga kasamahan diyan? I wish na sana lalo pang mag-ibayo, gumanda ang inyong buhay na masuportahan ng inyong anak. Happy birthday, baby! Salamat. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Lumaki kang mabuti. Miss you, Mom. Happy birthday, Sandy. I love you. Happy birthday, Sandy. Sana lumaki kang mabuti. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sandy. Happy birthday, Sandy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Gawayan ka lagi ni Lord. See you soon, Apo.
Happy birthday, Shandy! Love! Cute! Wish ko sa'yo, lalo kang gumanda. Tapos, good health. I love you.
Hi Sandy! Alam kong hindi mo pa ito maiintindihan sa ngayon, but for sure, after a few more years, maiintindihan mo na to. So, I just wanted to greet you happy birthday. I wish you good health palagi. Be good. Be a good person. Be kind. Always spread love. Magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos. And huwag masyadong magtaray. Remember, we always love you. And we always support you. Happy birthday. Take care. We love you.
Happy first birthday, baby Sandy. I wish you good health and prosperous future ahead.
You are a true testimony of how powerful the prayers is. And we wish you all the best in life, and you may grow as a God-fearing child. And for bro and sis, enjoy the parenthood journey. Happy birthday, baby Cindy. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sandy. We love you.
this is